So what's new this week? Things are moving rather quickly, including rates. That said, while I don't want to be too bearish about this market, I also want to be realistic and I want to give you accurate information. So what we're seeing right now is that some of our lenders are starting to scale back. In fact, one of our top lenders the last few months has just decided that they're no longer offering interest only and that they're going to be doing very conservative cookie cutter deals. So this is just a sign that lenders are starting to get more conservative. The Fed has frankly gotten a little out of hand with the interest rate increases, and banks are kind of hanging out. They've never been more liquid before, but they're also getting paid to be more liquid. So basically, they're being paid to take money out of the market. So this is what we're starting to see across all sectors. That being said, there's no reason to panic. There are lenders coming in and out of the market all the time, but rates are trending up. So we're anticipating, just like I mentioned last week, that the Fed's going to raise rates. Maybe he won't raise them 0.75%, maybe it will only be 0.5%. But lenders are slowly increasing rates every week in anticipation of that news. So we're seeing rates that are starting to get towards 6%, still a little bit better than residential. Residential's pretty much at 7%, a little higher. And some of the forecasts I'm reading are projecting that conventional home loan rates will go up to as high as 8.5%. So that means that our rates probably have another point to a 1.5 to trend upward, even on multifamily and commercial. So again, I don't want to be bearish about this market, but if you're looking to do some financing, you are not benefiting by waiting, by shopping around, by taking time to make a decision. You want to get your rate locked in as quickly as possible before lenders scale back even more, before rates go up even more, because this is the rate you're going to be stuck with for, 3 years or 5 years or 7 years. And please God, don't do a 10-year. But this is the rate you're going to be stuck with for a few years. So make your decisions, make them quickly, don't panic, but don't be a snail either. So that's what I got for this week.